In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how I made this wonderful flyer with just few steps. So let's start. We start by giving our workspace a particular size and double clicking on rectangle tool. Now I have to now duplicate that and now import my background. So I have to go to my resource file and bring in. So I'm gonna select the car and the background at once. Now I have to adjust it. I have to adjust the vehicle first and now flip the background I'm gonna use. I have to click there 90 degrees. Now I have to go to Gaussian blur and blur it, reduce the intensity. I have to reduce the intensity, click OK. Now power clip by right clicking it and drag into. So I'll power clip that into there. Now I have to expand it and click OK. Now I have to select my eyedropper tool, select the color from the vehicle and click on that second rectangle I duplicated. Now I have to use my interactive fill tool and now make a second color, right click to remove the outline. Now position my vehicle. So what's next? I'm gonna adjust it well, adjust it, let it fit there. So adjust everything. Now I have to draw a little rectangle over there. Draw it, let it be small and duplicate it. So once I duplicate it, I'll now type in my word. So I have to type in. You can pronounce that from the comfort of where you are. Now I have to change the font, increase that. So for here, you all have to convert to curve and now increase that. Like, first of all, I have to I fast forward that place, so let it be fast. So let's continue. Now I have to use my interactive tool to make my color into two. Now I have to place it at the center. Now it's now over there. Now I have to control shift down to bring it behind the vehicle. So now I have to centralize it. Now I have to create the shadow effect. I have to draw my ellipse. Now give it black. Convert to bitmap first. After converting, I have to go to my blur and choose Gaussian blur. So it's selected. That is okay. I have to now from there drag inside. Now choose my transparency to from black to white, fade off, convert to bitmap, from black to white, fade off and convert to bitmap. So that is okay. Now I have to place it right beneath the vehicle and now flip it that way. Now come over here, arrange it so let it feel like it's the shadow below the vehicle. Now I have to fit it, page down and fit that well. So reduce my transparency to and reduce it little bit, reduce, and that is nice. So I removed my outline from the background by right clicking to remove the outline. So I have to duplicate the vehicle here now, reduce it. I reduce that. I have power clip it into that rectangle I created previously and adjust it I'm adjusting the power clip. Adjust, just hold your alt and click. You adjust, duplicate second time, flip, mirror it, reduce that, and now do the same power clip, the second rectangle. Now I have to adjust, do my adjustment, have to now select the both. Now how to increase the fill. Before that, let me just adjust, increase the outline by double clicking on that pen tool there. Now increase the outline from here. Now click OK. So now then I import from my resource file, bring in that particular image, adjust it, reduce and adjust well. So I'll draw another rectangle over there. Now I have to do some effect. Draw a little rectangle there. Draw it. Now I have to bring my guideline to get exactly the edges. So I have to now put those guidelines to get the edges. So I have to duplicate that. Ctrl R to repeat what I have done. Now I have to highlight all three, duplicate by right clicking instantly, and Ctrl R to replicate the action. Now I have to delete the guidelines and delete the center rectangle over there. So I have to select the rectangle and give it white and remove the fill by right click, the outline by right clicking. Now I have to double click on that to bring this out and change the format of the outline to be dotted. Now I have to group, select that and raise it up. So let me type my wordings there. Just type. So once I'm done with my typing, I Ctrl A, highlight, Shift F3, title case, I hit my OK button. Centralize by clicking on that action over there. Now change my font to Poppins. I have to choose Poppins, click over to my shape tool and reduce the spacing in between. Once I've done that, I have to reduce it and drag in, zoom in to see clearly and reduce that. So I have to first of all group all this, so to avoid scattering of those things, group them, Ctrl G. I'll highlight all of them and group. So I have to select everything, C and E, to centralize everything at once. So that is nice. Import my typed word, so avoid wasting much time. I just typed those things and kept it there, and also import this image. So I've done that. I have to adjust it to fit in, make a little adjustment, reduce it, and now duplicate that and type the rest. So also I want to change this last word, so I have to select there, enter Poppins and select italic semi bold. So that is it. So now I have to highlight everything at once. So that's how I made this wonderful flyer. Thanks.